In the previous video, we discussed how to convert numbers into standard form. In this video, we are going to discuss how to convert numbers that are in powers of 10 to other powers of 10, or in standard form or to not standard form. All right, so how to change powers? Very simple. The first rule or the third rule from the previous video was that if you move to the left, you are going to add powers of 10. So let's take an example. You have 452.7 times 10 raised power 4. That's very simple. Is this in standard form? No, it's not. Why? You have 1, 2, and 3 digits to the left of the decimal point. We can only have 1. So what are we going to do? We are going to move the decimal places. So now 452.7, the correct way of writing it in standard form is going to be 4.527. Now, how many decimal places did we move? We moved 2 decimal places to the left, and hence the power 4 will now add 2 and become power 10. Like I said, you move to the left, you add powers of 10. So you've got 4.527 times 10 raised power 6 now. All right, let's take another example. You're going to, let's say when you move decimal place to the right, rule number 4 from the previous video again, we saw that when you move to the right, you are going to subtract powers of 10. Let's take an example. You have 0.000345 and you want to convert this to standard form. Now, why isn't it in standard form? Because your decimal place, your digit to the left of the decimal place is 0. You need to have a non-zero digit. So what are we going to do? We are going to move the decimal place to the right till you make the decimal place to the left of 3. So how many places did we move to the right? You moved 4 decimal places to the right. So what was the rule? You need to subtract powers of 10. So we moved 4 decimal places to the right. Now we are going to subtract 4. So minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. So the final answer is going to be 3.45 into 10 raised power minus 9. All right, so the first video was about how to convert numbers to standard form. This video right here is about how to change powers if you need to. All right, I hope that all of that made sense to everyone. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next one. Bars out.